4 years from now, it is a celebration of the startups.
The main ecosystem for both other startups, investors, advisors.
There's a great combination of content and also fantastic startups from the whole region.
For years from now is a must, particularly because of the international coverage.
You get lots of people coming and seeing what's happening.
As an investor, you see all the companies here, meet them, so it's a very nice atmosphere, very positive.
It's turning into becoming a hub, so it's pretty easy to meet people internationally at one place at one time.
It's really a wonderful event. It's incredibly alive and vibrant.